Hi guys, myself Rohit and you're watching Mobile Just. Today in this video we're gonna discuss about the most recent smartphone launch, the Poco M2 Pro, and I want to know what you guys felt about the smartphone launch. Please comment down below what you have felt after the Poco launched its M2 Pro and the hashtag feel the surge. I don't understand why they used to say hashtag feel the surge and no other captions they have mentioned about the smartphone, and I thought they would be bringing some secret through their smartphones, and what I finally felt is it just remember me the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And guys, now I want to say one thing about this rebranding most independent smartphone manufacturing company, Poco, and why Poco is doing this. Have you remembered when Poco launched its Poco F1? They have offered great specs under the budget segment, and they call it as a flagship killer. Yes, it's a flagship killer, guys. It was excellent actually. The chipset in Poco F1 is Snapdragon 845, which is one of the best Snapdragon chipsets ever. Until right now, you can afford for it under 20k. The Poco F1 is available. If you really like the smartphone, you can go for it, and it was extremely great. And I felt one thing, the Poco company would stand in India for longer days if they're gonna launch a smartphones like this which are under budget segment, and they're bringing up great flagship killer smartphones under the budget segment. So after these smartphone launches, I felt why Poco is doing this. Even Poco launched its X2, that's fine because Redmi haven't launched, and now Poco has launched a M2 Pro after Redmi launched its Redmi Note 9 Pro. I don't understand. What the thing happened with Poco M2 Pro is they just changed the charging brick inside the box and box designs, and kept the same smartphone inside it after changing the Poco launcher, whatever it is. Even in MIUI phones, when you are using MIUI smartphones, whatever the MI smartphones or Redmi smartphones, you can use a Poco launcher, right? And even in Redmi Note 9 Pro you can use a Poco launcher and it works absolutely fine because it's from a Xiaomi, right? Automatically it works fine, and it looks similar like a Poco M2 Pro. And Poco, what's happening with you? What's happening with you, Poco? I don't understand. You have launched one of the best smartphone, flagship killer Poco F1, and now even after that, and Poco X2, yes, it's great. It's a great smartphone with 120Hz refresh rate, and you have brought a camera Sony IMX686 sensor in your budget segment. I loved it, man. And now you're disappointing your fans. Poco fans are disappointed because of the smartphone launch you have done recently, the Poco M2 Pro. And I don't get it why Poco is doing these kind of things. Poco, please don't do these mistakes in India, and we are not gonna accept it, man. We are Indians and we are not gonna accept the smartphones you are rebranding and launching. Why don't you have your own thoughts? Even Realme is a sub-brand of Oppo, right? And they are bringing the smartphones in a different way. They don't have similar designs. Even the Oppo devices are having a different design and different specs, and Realme is having a different design and different specs. By the way, guys, Poco is having a lots of privacy issues. Recently it has faultily installed Hilo app, which was banned by Indian government, and the cleaner in the MIUI is supported by the Clean Master, and the servers are based on Chinese, and even the Hilo app, the Chinese servers. And why Poco has brought these apps and the default cleaner with the Clean Master, and I don't get it. And by the way, we should not support Poco, especially fanboys of the Poco. Just think about this, guys. We should not support the Poco at this time because it's not even following the government norms. It should follow the Indian government norms before bringing or launching its smartphone in India, right? But it haven't followed the rules and the norms and launching its smartphones. How fair it is? Think about it. I am not just against the Poco, guys. Poco fans, don't support your brand. Is having some flaws. Show them up and make the company to rectify it. Okay, guys, that's it for video today. And if you like my video, please do click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed until now, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon beside it. And if you are having any suggestions regarding my videos and my channel, please do comment below in the comment section, and I'm gonna reply definitely, and I'm gonna take your suggestions if they are really useful.